Price hike means a tendency of looking up the prices of essential commodities. It is one of the major problems of our country. Ours is a developing country. It is surrounded by many problems. We are already trapped in a vicious circle of poverty. Most of the people of our country live below poverty line. They cannot keep body and soul together with the scanty income. Now they are getting hard hit day by day with the abnormal rising of prices. They are now living almost in a subhuman state of life. It has occurred because the value of money has declined beyond limits. As a result, the purchasing power of the people has been decreased abnormally. At present, almost all the people of all walks of life are suffering gravely under the impact of price spiral. The sufferings of the middle class people is bigger description. There are many causes of price hike in our country. Most dreadful among them are decrease of production, increase of money supply, hoarding, black marketing, syndicating, population explosion, moral degradation, natural calamities, etc. It is an admitted truth that Bangladesh is suffering from food security. Still then, a syndicate group of businessmen are adding fuel to the fire. They are aggravating the situation more and more for making more money in the name of the insufficient supply of goods. Of course, there is also a surge in the prices of the international market. It is affecting the local markets. To control the price hike is the imperative need to the moment. Measures to be taken in this regard may be increase of production, decrease of money supply, decrease of public expenditure, creation of self-employment opportunities, rousing patriotic feelings, population control, prevention of natural calamities, stopping hoarding and black marketing etc. The price hike is seriously eating up the vitality of the country's economy. It has stood as a great impediment of the smooth running of the economy. The sooner the price hike can be brought under control, the better to continue and augment in the development work and plans of the country.